Oh, to access the front trunk locks, first remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that's removed. After complete removal, next we'll take off the front trunk's coolant cover and remove the protective plate. When removing, pull it out gently, then set it aside. Notice this clip here. Yes, there's a retention clip with a notch alignment mark. Use a pry tool at the notch to lift upward. Remove it carefully and set it aside. Next, we'll remove the front trunk using a trim removal tool to release clips. Factory fittings are tight. Use proper tools to disconnect plugs. Press the connector's release tab. Don't pull wires directly. Firmly pull the connector straight out. Then set it aside. Now retrieve our template diagram. Next, remove the original lock mechanism. When disassembling, mark its original position, including vertical and lateral limits. Mark both side screws, using the same method. Proper alignment marks ensure easier reassembly later. Check left/right alignment. Remove factory latch mounting screws. Okay, adjust any misaligned components. This is our motorized lock unit. Install it with this face orientation. Factory lock mounts like this. First remove the factory spring. Caution, strong spring tension. Handle carefully, unscrew this retainer, and remove the spring. First install our damping plate. Avoid damaging factory components. During spring mechanism transfer, exercise caution. Note, when disconnecting, the mechanism may relock. To release it, pull this cable taut, while lifting the post upward. Maintain maximum tension until fully disengaged. See the top alignment. Match the notch on our shim. With this guide post, align precisely against the factory lock body. Snap into place. Test movement, then secure fully, until fully seated, not partial engagement. Proper installation requires specific tools. Use tool to compress crescent clip halfway. Partial compression needed. Tension. This tension looks good. Reinstall now. Proceed with motorized lock installation. Factory lock orientation. Facing forward. Align our unit accordingly. Route the cable backward. Then install in this direction. Join both components. Secure cable end with the rounded tip facing upward here. Hook onto this upper mount. See here? Proper placement. Restore original lighting connections. Secure cable end under retainer and route through here. Confirm seating here with cable head secured. Reinstall factory components in original positions. Correct alignment here. Lock mechanism installation complete. Align mounting holes precisely. Secure with screws at marked locations. Reinstall the illuminated cover, connecting to our unit first, then to factory connector. Proceed to wiring installation. Mount adhesive-backed sensor on driver side. Near the right side lighting, on thinnest panel section. Optimal sensor position here. Peel and stick to clean surface. At indicated location. Recommended mounting point. OK, before module installation. Clean contact surfaces. Route positive cable. Connect positive first, using proper tools. For the positive terminal, start at the heat dissipation point. Gently pry open the protective sleeve first. The factory wiring here has multiple connections, so we'll install a matching screw. Insert the positive terminal into the red connector post. Push it onto the post, don't force it too deep. Apply firm pressure, then secure completely. Fasten with the provided nut, using the included wrench. Right, make sure it's fully tightened. Now the negative terminal. Route the cable through the factory wire channel, along this path. 2 recommended grounding points. 1, the factory 10 mm nut location. 2, the original negative terminal here. We'll use this one today. Don't loosen it, just insert our terminal cover. Minor sparking may occur. That's normal. Pinch the white insulator and push firmly. Ensure full insertion, then proceed. Connection complete. Next, after connecting both terminals, mate the 4-pin connectors until they click. Gently secure the remaining wires. Follow the factory wiring, securing along main harness routes. For the main control module, mounted vertically here. The high current box must be secured to factory wiring points, oriented with Bluetooth info facing outward. The Bluetooth pairing details are printed on the unit for smartphone pairing. After routing remaining cables, tuck excess length here, and trim zip ties. Cable management complete. Now connect the cylindrical light connector to our adapter. Align the raised dot with the adapter slot. Reinstall the factory cover using our splitter harness. Note the alignment tab, match it to the factory groove. Then press firmly. When properly installed, the light will activate with front button presses. That's correct, using the printed Bluetooth credentials. Pair via smartphone. After successful pairing, test functionality at installation points with gentle taps. Proper activation occurs with light contact. Confirmed. Finally, reinstall. After testing, disconnect the color-coded plug before panel reinstallation. When reassembling, align the main connector with factory light wiring. Panel tabs should mate with corresponding slots. Press until fully seated. You'll hear a click. Ensure wires are neatly tucked. Secure all fasteners in sequence. Lift the retention clip first. Rotate to locked position, then slide into place. Double-check alignment. The dust cover installs here. Ensure full perimeter seal. As shown. Snap all edges closed. Installation complete. Tighten remaining screws.